Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK, Canada, and also share my daily forex analysis on the important forex currency pairs. And this analysis is for 26 Feb 2021 Friday only. Okay, I'll be coming down on Monday again with Monday's analysis. So this analysis is for Monday only. So let's jump into the chart without wasting any time and we can see the selling pressure. Just look at the size of the red candles. It took more than 20-25 candles to reach this point and it took hardly 6-7 candles to come down. Okay, so just look at the huge selling pressure. Okay, so what should we do now? If you have already sold a market and you are in a selling position, then you have already made some good money. But if you're looking for a fresh position, then I'll say that uh, stay away from the market for today because after this huge fall, okay, the risk to reward ratio is not matching anywhere. Okay, and right now there is a little bit of support available at 0.7723 and right now market is trading at 0.7746. Okay, this particular zone may or may not provide support. Okay, in usual days this kind of support is very important, but just by looking at the selling pressure, I am not sure today whether the support will be valid or not. Okay, it may break the support also. In case it successfully provides the support and market starts going up from here, still I'll tell you not to buy. Okay, because the selling pressure is too high. The sellers are still present and will be present and they'll be looking for every opportunity to sell the market again. So you may be trapped. So it is better to stay away from the market than to lose money. Is not it? So no buying trades for the day. And if you want to sell the market, then let the market cross this particular support level. Okay, when if market cross this support level with extreme selling pressure, okay, if you spot some good selling pressure when market crosses this level, let the market come down to overbought level. Okay, let the market consolidate a little bit, let the market, if the if it crosses the support level, then just simply go for pullback strategy. That's it. Okay, the reverse pullback strategy will be the best. Otherwise it won't be otherwise your risk to reward ratio will not be in your favor and ultimately you may end up losing money. And buying is off the chart for the day. Okay, and if you want to look for selling position right now, it is not favorable. Okay, the first and foremost target of every trader should be to protect the capital. Okay, so if it crosses this level, then go for pullback strategy. Okay, when market will be hitting this level and from there when market will be going down again, then you go for shorting the market. Otherwise before that, no shorting the market and buying is off the topic for Friday. Okay, so this the simple analysis for Friday. Market is in heavy selling pressure. Almost all the currencies with USD are in heavy pressure today. So this is it. Thanks for watching my video, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please like the video and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I come daily with my daily analysis. Hopefully it will help you to earn money. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.